Hey everybody, Donald with Top of Automotive, and this video is a headlight switch in a 1996 Chevy Blazer. And I'm going to start out saying Happy New Year 2020 to all my subscribers and future subscribers. Check out hashtag Top of Automotive for a chance to win a gift card. And once again, YouTube and YouTube affiliates are not responsible for the gift card. It's this guy. So check that out. We're going to do stuff a little differently here in 2020. A little video, some a little differently. Skip the intro for right now. Just going to kind of get right into it. Got a new headlight switch. I'm going to be putting in the Blazer. I got a standard. The part number is DS651 switch communicator. Got it off Amazon. It's your standard headlight switch. No biggie. Pretty simple to do. So just need a couple tools, whatever size battery terminal you got, 8mm, whatever it may be, to disconnect the negative side of the battery, and a couple slotted screwdrivers, a couple wheel chucks to keep the vehicle from rolling, and we'll get on into that. So, alrighty everybody. Stay tuned. Alrighty, first we want to disconnect your negative battery terminal. 8mm on my particular one, on the negative side. Don't want to short anything out. Ratcheting wrench. Works pretty good. Get it started. Back it off there and make sure it's fully disconnected. And out of the way. Make sure you ain't gonna lose anything. And that's the first step. So, stay tuned. Alright guys, always safety. Next, what you do is just take a couple of these wheel chucks, because you will be taking the vehicle out of the park position. Went the long way around the camera. So, little safety first as always. So chalk up your wheels and we move on. Stay tuned. Continue on to safety. Next thing you want to do is put on the emergency brake wherever you may have it. Mine's the foot kind. You may have the e-brake kind. So safety. Alright guys, once you got all your safety stuff done, I'm going to turn the key on, apply the brake, and drop it all the way into the first gear mode. And we're not moving because we got our parking brake on and we got our wheel chucks. So you will, in this one, my 1996 Chevy Blazer, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver. There's a couple screws in here, so let's get those off. I don't know what they I don't know, look like something, just looks like something I need to remove. I don't know, I've never taken one of these dashes apart, so bear with me. Screw in the cup holder. little stubby Phillips. They have their places, and this is kind of one of those. I don't know. Just kind of doing this. This definitely doesn't look like the one I seen on the YouTube video. So it just said pretty much pry on this. That's pretty good. Do I need to take the whole thing out here? Let me take a look. Have a looky-see. Okay. Alrighty then. Problem is, glued that at one point. It's a bad mistake right there. Fortunately, I had to do that. Glued a wire up in there at one point. Make sure you take all your my stuff off here. I should have done beforehand. So hopefully, get this out of here. That out of here. My glasses. Oh. Got my CB radio attached to that, so alright, let me remove my CB radio and I'll be right back so I can get this out of here. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I had to take off my CB radio that's attached to the dash. The only place I had it to it. So definitely had to take those off. Kind of see what else we got going on here. Wires, and I'm gonna get this free here. There's something I'm stuck on. Gear shifter. Gear shifter. Alrighty, so I'm stuck on the gear shifter here. So it's gonna take a little bit of finagling to get it out. There's no wires that I gotta disconnect on this side. So see what I can do here. Take a look. So maybe I don't need to pull the dash all the way out on this one. I could just a little bit more. Yeah, that'll work. So I won't take the dash all the way out. My next thing is to disconnect the wires on the light switch itself, and I'll move the camera around for that part. Alrighty, stay tuned. Alright guys, this is what I got. Just gotta remove these here connectors. The tripod's kind of in my way. Just wanted to show you this kind of real quick before I disconnect the wires. I'm gonna have to move the tripod, so I won't be able to actually film that part, I don't think, very well, but this is what I got so far. That's the switch, that's the plug, you know, it's a little clip here. Maybe I can get in here and do this. Pull that wire off, and then you got a couple clips here to get the switch out. I have to get one on the other side, but yeah, I need a little more space so I can get in here and see that other side. So that's it. Got a couple of these clips here, and the switch will come out, and I'll be back after that. Alrighty, we got our switch put in. Just repeat the actions in reverse, how you took it apart. Easy peasy. Slid the switch in, locked it down, made sure it was in there good. Put the connector on it, made sure the connector was on there good and tight, and reversed the process of getting the dash in. Worked out, so I put it back in park, connected the battery, still got the emergency brake on and the wheel chuck's in, so we're gonna just test and make sure we got it. I probably should have tested it before you snap it all in together, so before you button it all up, test once you put the switch in, connector on, connect the battery, and give the switch a test and make sure that way there you don't have to take it all apart again. But here we go. Got the switches on. Bear with me here a moment. Headlights. Look around here. Tail lights and tail lights. So we can go ahead and remove the wheel chucks. As you see, it moved, but I can get that out of the way here shortly. Go ahead and turn the switch off, and we'll call that done. Said I got a week off from work. I'm doing some little projects on the truck. I got freeze plug to do, door hinge pins and stuff like that. Oh, good idea when you're doing this, make sure all your connections are tight on the battery. No loose connections, make sure they're not corroded or anything like that. Just some little things. Alrighty, let me get buttoned up here and be right back. Alrighty everybody, that's how I put in a light switch on my 1996 Chevy Blazer. 3 tripods. Just super long time, but It's not as bad. Quick and easy. If I hadn't been filming, I'd been done hours ago, but anyhow. Happy New Year 2020. Gonna be doing a new intro. Maybe leave the outro for now, do a new outro. But until then, I appreciate your views, your comments, and any suggestions as always. We'll see you in the next video, guys, and y'all stay safe out there.